what is the minimum progeny population size allowing for random union of all kinds of gametes from capital A, capital B, capital C, small c parents? So there are two ways by which it is solved. First, number of genes that are given is 3. So total number of phenotypes will be 2 raised to 3 is equal to 8. So I am applying for first 2-point cross that gives 4 different gametes crosses with a single gene, that is capital C, small c, which gives 8 different phenotypic combinations. So minimum 8 phenotypes will be produced. So total number of progenies will be 8 raised to 2 is equal to 64. Whereas in another method, total number of combinations we can find, that is for directly applied to the equation, that is 4 raised to n, where n is the total number of genes. Here total number of genes which are given is 3, that is equal to 4 raised to 3 is equal to 64. So the answer is 64.